To create a sketch on an existing face, first create a simple solid. Now select one of the faces and click with the left mouse button. Now go to the toolbar and make sure the Part Design workbench is active. Then click Create New Sketch, and the Sketcher workbench opens automatically. Let's draw a simple circle on the selected face. Select the Circle tool, then click on the face with the left mouse button to place the center. Move the cursor and click again to set the radius. As the final step, click Close in the Tasks panel. The sketch is now attached to a selected face. Creating a sketch on a face is commonly used before creating pockets, pads, holes, and other features. Next, we'll learn how to create an offset sketch.